Here is the Ford Escape. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a hood release lever. Grab it and pull it twice. 1 and 2. Now in front of the vehicle, just grab the hood and lift it up. This hood requires a prop rod, so grab the rod from over there. Put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it and let it go. And now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. The bulb is right over here. The way to access it is from behind it. That is a seal. We have to just grab it and peel it off. And just grab it from the sides and then peel it. It'll come right out. It's just a rubber seal. Once it's off, just set it aside. And inside there is the bulb holder. We just have to get your hand in there and twist it left a little bit. This is the lock position. Twist it left, unlock position. Just a little bit. However, it can be a little bit tight, so be patient. It may take you a few seconds of applying force before you're able to twist it left and loose. And grab the bulb now and just pull it out straight. The bulb size is 7444 NA. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself. Again, get the new 7444 NA bulb and simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now let's put it back in the light. And when you do so, you may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder drops in. See, right now it's not going in. See, it's sticking out. It's not sitting in properly, so you may have to do some twisting before it just drops in. Just like this. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and that's it. This is the lock position. You're done. Put the seal back on, and when you put this back in, see this little seal has like an inner edge. Get that in first. Just focus on that, get that in, then press it from the outside. Now just go around the rest of the seal. It may take you a good 20-25 seconds to put it back on properly, so be patient. Now let's move on to the driver's side. That's the bulb, that's the seal. Same process, just as accessible. The hard part for this whole job is getting this loose. You only have to twist it left a little bit. The bulb holder sits in there tightly, so it may take you a few seconds of just applying force before it twists left and gets loose. Once it's loose, just get it out. Same bulb, 7444 NA. Put it back in. And even when you put it back in, you have to make sure it sits in properly. It may take you a few seconds. Once it drops in, just twist your right to lock it. Put the seal back on, and you are done. That's it. To close the hood, first push on it, get the load off the prop rod and get it out of that slot. Put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.